Remember your VPC? It's your private neighborhood in the cloud. And just like any neighborhood, it needs streets. Some streets are busy, open to visitors and delivery drivers. Other streets are quiet, for residents only. In AWS, those streets are called subnets. A public subnet is a street with a gate to the outside world. It connects to the internet gateway. A private subnet is different. It sits behind the fence and has no direct internet access. You choose which houses go where. Web servers live on the public street, whilst databases stay safe on the private one. Let's say you have a website. Visitors reach your EC2 servers on the public subnet. Those servers talk to your database. The database lives in the private subnet. It never opens its door to the street. Information flows in. Meals get served, but the kitchen stays locked away. That's how AWS keeps your neighborhood safe and connected. So next time you hear the word subnet, picture the streets inside your cloud neighborhood. Some streets are open, some are private, all connected by design. Simple, visual, fun.